Tired of repetitive tasks slowing you down? Netsuite workflows are your secret weapon to automate processes and boost efficiency. First, navigate to Customization, then Workflow, and select Workflow. Click the New button to start building your automated masterpiece. Give your workflow a descriptive name, like Invoice Approval Process. Next, choose the record type that this workflow will apply to. Let's select Invoice for this example. Now, let's add our first action. Click the plus sign inside State 1 from the list. Select Set Field Value as our action to automatically update an invoice field. Choose the field you want to modify. We're selecting Approval Status. Now, set the value to Pending Approval. This automatically marks invoices for review. Want this action to only trigger under certain conditions? Click Transition Properties to set entry criteria. Let's create a rule that only triggers for invoices over $1,000. This ensures only large invoices require manual approval. Almost there. Change the release status from testing to release so your workflow is active and applies to all new invoices meeting your criteria. Save your workflow, and boom, you've just automated a critical process in NetSuite. See how all new invoices over $1,000 now automatically have a status of pending approval. Now go and create more automation.